Today, we will walk you through how to sign up a new member at the front desk. Let's get started. Click New Member and fill out the member's data. The only required fields are first name, last name, and start date. If you are ready to assign the barcode, you can input it here. Otherwise, you can assign it at a later time. This drop-down contains the tags that were set up under Settings. After saving changes, the member's account will open up. Since this is a new member, the member will not have any plans. There are two ways to add a plan. You can either sell a plan or you can manually add a plan. To sell a plan, click here. The plans you loaded here are the same plans you set up under Settings. Now select a plan from the list. This will show up if the plan you selected allows family members. If the member will be sharing their plan with their family, you can add them now. Otherwise, just click Next. If you want to override the selected plan's billing rate, click the Override checkbox and add how many bills to apply the override. If the override rate will be permanent, then check Override Forever and click Next. This screen will show you the cost the member has to pay today for signing up. If you want to add inventory items to the list, then scan the UPC code here or select from your inventory. To finalize the sign-up, click the Complete Sign-up button. The payment dialog will then display for you to take payment. As you can see, the plan is now assigned to their account. To add a plan manually, click Manually Add Plan. This gives you the ability to select any plan and any expiration date for the plan. This is an easy way to assign a plan to the member without charging them anything. For example, you can use this if you made a mistake and want to manually add a plan. Now let me go over the plan that we just added. This is the name of the plan. This shows you the expiration or billing date. This date is what our auto-bill system uses when auto-billing your members. This is also used at check-in to alert front desk if they are expired. This shows you how many check-ins are remaining. Unlimited check-ins means the member can check in using the plan as many times as they want, as long as the plan hasn't expired. This shows you the frequency of the plan. This shows you which family members are using the plan. This shows you the current invoice that the system uses to auto-bill your member. It's also used to know how much to charge your member when renewing at the front desk. If auto-bill is yes, then the system will bill the member automatically. For example, since the expiration date is on the 1st of March and the frequency is monthly, then the system will automatically bill and renew the member on the 1st of every month. Click the Family link to add family members to the plan. Click the Renew link to renew the plan. This is usually used when a member is not on auto bill and are renewing at the front desk. Click the Edit link to change the plan or expiration date. This concludes how to sign up a member at the front desk.